Hello and welcome back to the journey to become a QlikSense master. Today we are going to talk about how to create a 100% chart using the native charts that is available in QlikSense. Alright, so let's begin with the bar chart. Let's drag in the bar chart here. Then we are going to add in our dimension. Okay, for the dimension, let's get to know a new function in QlikSense, that is the value list function. In the parentheses, we are going to add in a dummy set of dimensions. Okay, we are going to add in actual and year to date here. Let's click on apply, and for the measure, let's open the expression editor. We are going to say if our value list actual and year to date is equal to actual, we are going to do sum of the cumulative value. In the previous lessons, we have introduced how to create year-to-date and month-to-date value using the load editor. So we are going to apply the similar logic based on what we have learned before. Okay, we are going to call the period flag equal to month-to-date, else if the value list is equal to year-to-date, let's copy this expression and we're going to change this to year to date. Now this is a very simple way to switch our logic between year to date and month to date if we create a flag in our load script. Instead of using a long and complex set analysis by calling out the max year and max month, we can just change the value in the flag to get our year to date and month to date value. So this is a very much more comprehensive way to structure our expression and would be easier to maintain our dashboard. Okay, anyway, this is just based on my opinion. It's all your call to decide on which method to use. Okay, so this is our actual and year to date value here. It seems there is a huge difference when we compare actual and year to date value together, but let's see what if we compare the actual and year-to-date value based on the composition of products sold here. Okay, so this is why we need to know how to construct a 100% chart to know the composition of our products sold. Okay, let's add in a new dimension to view our products as bar here. Now we can see our actual and year-to-date dimension has split into different bars based on the product sold. Let's go to appearance, then we move on to presentation, and we are going to change this to a stack view. Okay, now if we compare actual and year-to-date, is still a very huge difference because we are not done yet. This is still not a 100% chart. We want to look at the composition of products sold in percentage wise. Okay, let's go to our measures here and let's copy this expression. Now we are going to divide with the same expression as the top, just that we are going to add in a total here. So what happened here is actually the top expression here is the sum of cumulative value aggregated by products, and for the bottom expression we add in a total so that the sum of cumulative value will return the grand total without aggregating by products. So for the numerator, we are taking sum of cumulative value based on different products, and for the denominator we are going to take the overall total value of all the products. Okay, now let's do the same for the year-to-date expression. Let's copy the first expressions and paste it on the next line. Then we add in the total on the second line. Okay, now let's click on apply and take a look on the chart here. So the y-axis of our chart has been changed to 0 to 1. Now let's change our number formatting from auto to number. Then we are going to change the formatting to percentage. Now our chart is reading 100%. Alright. With this we can compare both actual and our year to date, and we can see that the composition of our products sold are almost similar against month to date and year to date. So this is a very interesting analysis. If we have more data in our data source, we can compare with last year to date product composition. We can also compare with last month product composition, and there is much more analysis that we can do using 100% chart. And basically this is how we create a 100% chart. And that's all for the lesson today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next lessons. Thanks and bye bye.